revenue. Self-watch by your ninja, but the one playing your playlist is your ninja from other phones. And it's already proven to you that if you are money, hindi dapat mag self-watch kay bawasan ang imo revenue. My goodness, bawas a lot of rules and regulations in the YT world that there are a lot of regulations, the rules that we never been read the guidelines. What is really the guidelines of the YT regarding playing your playlist? Kahit ninja mo, makita yan niya sa IP address. Huh? Let's say, for example, if you are using different Wi-Fi, you are not the address is different Wi-Fi, different CP. You know the reason why, Robinson, bakit yung watch hour sometimes naglalagas? Do you have some idea about that? Kung ibang Wi-Fi pwede, yeah. Kung ibang Wi-Fi pwede. Siyempre, hindi mo pag, if you're playing a certain playlist, let's say for example, in my house, I have a Wi-Fi, and then I'm going not to turn on or sign in my account sa YT, then the only open is my Ninja. So we're not using the same Wi-Fi because my phone naka-off, only Ninja playing the playlist of my channel. Stella, are you done? Naka 1 hour and 38 minutes ka na, Stella. Bakit lumalagas ang try mo sa channel para maka-observe ka kung magbawas or hindi, kay Moni ka naman. Mag self-play. I think I tried nag-play. Nag self-watch ako everyday. Then what happened is try kung pwede mo ko ma-add sa live mo. Of course, yes. Try ko subong. Bali maakyat ka, something that's what you mean. Ay. Try ko siya iakyat. I don't know what I'm going to do with this. Share.